Uplisting from sign up to synced in 90 seconds. Managing your rentals on Uplisting? Well, let's connect it to lake.com today and put your properties in front of travelers who are looking for the perfect stay by the water. Uplisting is trusted by short-term rental operators worldwide. With its unified calendar, automated guest messaging, and direct booking tools, today I'm going to show you how to add to that by adding lake.com. And by doing so, you'll reach a targeted audience of lakeside and coastal travelers. Now, what's really cool is you get to keep the listings, calendars, and pricing all in sync automatically and do all of your management work from Uplisting. But with lake.com, we're going to give your properties more visibility, boost revenue, and eliminate any possibility of double bookings because we're going to keep the systems in sync. So here's how to connect lake.com with Uplisting. Step 1, log into your lake.com or sign up for free if you don't have one already. You can sign up with your email and password, or you can connect to a Google account if you have one of those as well. Next, once you're signed in, you're going to want to switch to the host view. You can do this by logging in and accessing that Me menu in the top right-hand corner, and just make sure that host is toggled on. Now, in that same Me menu, I call it the Me menu because it often has a picture of yourself, you can go down and click Connections. Now, scroll within all the integrations and find Uplisting, then click Connect. A new window is going to pop up and you're going to be prompted to enter in your API key from Uplisting. I'm going to bet that you probably don't have your API key on hand, so I'm going to show you how to get that. Now, in a new tab in your browser, you're going to go to the Uplisting website, log in, and access your account. Within your account, you're going to go to Settings, and then Integrations, and then API. Once you've pasted your key in, the next step is to approve the integration. You're going to see a confirmation message on screen, so you'll know that the connection's done successfully. Your Uplisting properties, they're going to begin syncing automatically with lake.com. So the first time, it's probably going to take a few minutes, depending on how many properties you have, whether it's 5 or 500. That's a lot of photos, titles, and descriptions and amenities that we got to keep all synced. So the first time might take a few minutes, maybe up to an hour, but then after that, calendar and availability and pricing, those changes get synced up every 5 minutes. While that static content on an ongoing basis, like the descriptions, the amenities, any changes to photos, those get synced up every 6 hours because they're less important in terms of the urgency and the timeliness of the data. But calendar availability and pricing updates going forward, they're going to sync up every 5 minutes. So you can be sure that you're always up to date. All right, that's it. Nicely done. With Uplisting and lake.com, you'll stay synced, save time, and reach more guests searching for unique stays by the water. Your next booking could be waiting. Sync Uplisting with lake.com today.